y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then hello. Today's video is how I got this eyeshadow look using this neon pigment stack from the Makeup Plug. This look was actually inspired from another YouTuber, so I'm gonna go find her video, and I'll put her channel name across the screen so if y'all want to watch her video as well. But I'm just starting off with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I think it's in the color Fair. I just like using a brighter concealer for my eyeshadows so they just pop more, but these are pigments, so you can really use any regular primer or a concealer and it should still show up pretty good. Okay, y'all, so this is the pigment stack, and as y'all can see, the colors are so bright and they're so pretty. I'm gonna put their Instagram name across the screen. But I started on this eye and I went into the crayon case using the MacBook palette. But I only did this on this eye because I realized it wasn't necessary for the look I was trying to do. But I was just trying to have like some type of transition color going on. So I just lightly had blended this blue into my crease. I guess that's my crease. But yeah, it really was unnecessary because it kind of like messed up the pigment a little bit, but the look still turned out pretty good at the end. So all I'm saying is you don't have to do this step. It's not necessary. Okay, y'all, so this was my first time ever using any type of pigment, so I was kind of scared how this was gonna come out because I was watching a video and the girl was saying that it was hard to like blend out and stuff like that, and they actually were once I got to doing the other shades, but this went on pretty good. But yeah, I started off with a flat brush and then I ended up changing my brush. This brush is just like, it's more rounded at the top, but I think the flat one still would have worked. I still went in like back and forth using both of those. But you really did not have to blend it in like I was doing. You really could just tap it on. I think that's probably the best way to do it, but I'm gonna try more looks with the pigment, so I have more videos and hopefully I can, perfect my technique. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going in with the same concealer that I used to prime my eyes, and I'm going to outline to where I'm going to cut my crease. I ended up trying to do this technique I seen Beats by Deb on Instagram doing, where she like take the Vaseline and she like tries to like wipe the shadow off. It didn't work how I planned it to, so I was just like, whatever. But yeah, that's what I did. I tried to wipe it off so that the color won't blend through my concealer, basically. I think that's why she does that, where she wipes it off and then, puts her concealer. But yeah, just cut your crease. I'm not the best at cut creases, y'all. I need to practice, but it is what it is. Alright, so now I'm going back in with the pigment to blend out the edges of where I just cut the crease. Okay, y'all, this is where stuff got messy. I think this was the yellow shade I went in with. Yeah, I used yellow and pink on the cut crease, and this yellow was so hard to get on and to try to blend. It was so messy, y'all. It was a mess. I still love how it looked, but I really could not blend this to save my soul. But I just tried my best. Maybe I should have used even a smaller brush, but I'm not really sure, y'all. So if you have used pigments and you know like a better technique, comment down below and leave me some tips. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just about to do my face to finish off the look. If you've seen any of my other makeup videos, I literally use the same products all the time. So I use the Fenty Beauty Primer, and I'm using the Juvias Place and Magic foundation, and also my foundation from Maybelline, the matte and poreless one, because the one from the Juvias Place is kind of bright and the one from Maybelline is a bit darker. I did order a darker shade of the Juvia's Place foundation and I think 230 Malawi, but then that was too dark, so I'm still trying to find like my right shade in that foundation. But today I used 310 Burkina. So yeah, I used 310 Burkina in the Juvia's Place foundation and 356 I think warm coconut in the Maybelline foundation. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I don't know the name of this brush, but it is from Morphe, and I just used it to basically spread my foundation on. And I used this makeup sponge with a little water on it to blend in everything. The brush just helps to like not take off so much product, but I still need to go in with my sponge to give it a better blend and also to get my smaller areas. The concealer I'm using is the I'm Magic concealer from Juvia's Place, and it's in the color 10, number 10. Okay, y'all. Anytime I use this setting spray, I gotta brag. I freaking love the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. I wish it was a little bit cheaper though, because if I did my makeup every day, I would run through this. Because this is only the trap size bottle. But anyways, I just used the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and put some lip gloss on. And then I put these random lashes, and I put some of the pink pigment in my in the corner, and that was it, y'all. So this is how the look end up turning out. So if y'all like how it looks, give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.